Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to the new video. In this video, we are going to learn that either 50 power 99 is bigger or 99 factorial is bigger. We are using the general rule that whenever we divide numerator by denominator and if the answer is greater than 1, it means the numerator is bigger. And if the answer is lesser than 1, then we can say that the denominator is bigger. So the same we are applying over here. 50 power 99 divided by 99 factorial. So if the answer is greater than 1, it means we can say that 50 power 99 is bigger. And if the answer is lesser than 1, then we can say that 99 factorial is bigger. So what we are doing, that we are multiplying 50 by 50 99 times. For example, 50 into 50 into 50 up till here. So these are, for example, 49 50s. And in the center we are keeping 50, and again from here 50 into 50, so these are also the 49 50s. So 49 50s plus 49 50s, these will be 98 50s. And again in the same way, 99 into 98 into 97 up till here 51, and this 50 in the center. So from here 49 into 48 into 47 up till here 1. We are making the groups of 50 and 99. So for example, this 50 multiplied by this 50, that will be 50 square, divided by 99 multiplied by 1, that will be 99. So 50 square, it means 50 multiplied by 50, that will be 2500, divided by 99. It means the numerator is bigger over here. And here we have 50 square, that is 2500, divided by 98 into 2, that will be 196. Still the numerator is bigger. So we will continue this sequence up till here. For example, here we have 50 square divided by 51 into 49. This 51 into this 49. So here 2499. The answer will be 2499. And this answer will be 2500. So still this numerator is bigger. So here we have 50 divided by 50, that will be the 1. So if you continue this sequence, you will observe that always the numerator is bigger than the denominator. So keeping this fact, we can say that 50 power 99 divided by 99 factorial is bigger than 1, which means 50 power 99 is bigger than 99 factorial. I hope you understand. Thank you for watching this video.